Greetings, Intellis colleagues. My name is Michelle Roderick Lee. I work with KSNR. I have been a member of Intellis for about 2 years now, and I've been in the healthcare industry and in primary research for 12 years. I get a good chuckle out of the young people in our office when I tell them that I first applied to work at KSNR via the newspaper. But so much has changed in 12 years, and especially in the healthcare industry. One recent change that we've noticed is the increasing importance and rise of specialty pharmaceuticals. As manufacturers focus their innovation efforts in this area, what we need to understand as researchers is so much more complex than it used to be going through retail pharmacies. And going through the buy and bill channel in particular is very complex in terms of what our manufacturing clients need to understand. So what we'd like to bring to the Intellis community is a session that focuses on understanding and overcoming some of the challenges that we see in the buy and bill channel. Since this topic is kind of evolving and we're still learning, we would like to open up our session with a group exercise where we ask our manufacturing clients and anyone in the audience some of the information gaps that they face around their brands today going through buy and bill, and what they might do differently if we were able to close those information gaps. Some questions that we've heard from clients to date are around really some big unknowns about reimbursement, how that's going to go, when certain approvals might take place, which of course impacts so many other things, including the patient experience. Is it really optimized? How do we forecast if we don't have a great understanding of reimbursement? Some really big questions that we've been able to help our clients answer. We have a kind of a key point of view about how we do that. We've found that mapping has been really helpful for us and for our clients to be able to understand this very complex channel. Two kind of points that we always keep in mind when starting this type of project are around information gathering and benchmarking. Information gathering is obviously critical. Long gone are the days where we only speak to physicians to understand what they think. Now we're talking to not only the physician, but their staff. And of course, we're talking to their patients as well. This is important to ensure that we've included all the right stakeholders in the study. And then we also need to be sure we're not just asking the what, but we're also asking the why. Benchmarking is also critical because this is such a complex channel and there are so many unknowns. Having a benchmark or a point of comparison can help aid in our understanding so much, whether it be including a competitor in a different brand or including a different channel as a point of comparison. So those kind of two keys are critical to success, and they've helped us map the kind of journey through buy and bill for our clients in a way where we look at who's involved, what they're doing, how that's influencing others. Also, we've mapped kind of enablers to the journey, barriers in the journey, and we've also been able to, most importantly, identify and prioritize opportunity areas for our clients. So as we think about what's worked for us, we would also open that up to the audience so that we can hear what's worked for them and learn from each other that way as well. The session would also include some other key points about this type of study or just additional considerations, such as when to do this type of study. This doesn't only apply to brands already on the market. This can be applied in a pre-launch phase. And I think really another key point is tailoring this study, because this is so nuanced and complex. Tailoring the study for a specific brand and the information gaps can be really, really helpful. So more to come if our submission is selected, and we hope that it is, so that we can start talking about this and learn from each other. Thank you for your time.